Jillian wants to give Daddy a hug.
Come on up.
Oh, hugs for Daddy. Hugs for Daddy. Oh. Give Dad a hug.
Another one?
Yep. Here it comes. Oh, hugs for Daddy.
Thank you.
You're a nice girl. Okay, now
up.
roll over.
Roll over, Beans.
We got our first cackle, first hug for Dad. Why not have our first rollover?
Go for it. Come on over here.
Dude, look how strong my kid is.
Go for it.
Sitting up like a little lion. Hello.
Go for it.
Do not faceplant. I think it's the tights. They're giving her all kinds of powers. Hey, Bean. Hey. Roll it over. Okay, maybe next time.